something will be ever in my life. Yes, I swear you'll not tell anyone. Cross your heart. Do it. My adventure book. Sit right. Put your head right here. Lay down like this. And let's look at the book and see what we picture. We got pictures. You know him. Frowls much. You know him. Frowls much. Explores. Like a big, I'm going where he's going. Sounds America. It's like America, but sounds. When the rhyme was paradise full, a land lost in time. I read this right out of the library book. I mean, like flower out there. And that's the wall. Who knows what lives up there? Want to get there? Well, I'm sure these pages adventures I now have. Only I just don't know how to get the pair rifles. That's it. You can take us there on the blimp. Bam! Cross your heart. Cross it. Cross your heart. Get your phone. No backing out. Well, keep falling. Bye. I ventured up there. You know, you don't talk very much. I like you. Mom, remember that